July 26th, 2018. So I'm getting ready to go out and do a foliar feed, and I just thought I would pick off a few of the really ripe tomatoes, the cherry tomatoes, and wanted to share some with a friend of mine, and I was looking for a container to put them in, and I realized that they fit really well in the egg cartons. And so that gives you a pretty good idea also of the size of these tomatoes. These are the large cherry tomato variety, but some of these are really big. Oops. So they're fantastic, they're delicious, they're super sweet. I'm going to go share these with a close friend of mine. And I just want to say thank you to Advancing Eco Agriculture. You'll notice that these tomatoes are sitting on top of a bunch of their products like Accelerate and MicroPack and Sea Shield and Sea Stim. These sort of yields and results and the knowledge and information that I've gained would not have been possible without this company. So thanks to Advancing Eco Agriculture. And I know with these, we're only getting started. Thanks for watching the Farmacy Seeds Network.